Hello guys, so I am Pankaj and I welcome you all to this session. So CBSE today conducted the physics paper successfully. Okay, and today in this session we will be analyzing the physics paper. Okay, so here in this session we will be talking about the difficulty level and how the questions were asked, okay, whether questions were theoretical type or numerical type. So let us start the analysis of physics paper conducted on 2nd March 2020, that is today. Okay, so let us begin with section A, which is section first or first section. So basically section A is a mix of MCQs, fill in the blanks and short answer type questions. Now, the first question, it was asked from EDC and it was based on photocell numerical type and it was an easy question. Okay. Then second question, it was based on electromagnetic field. So path based question was asked and it was a theoretical type question. So it was basically MCQ, but it was quite difficult in nature. Okay, so the second question was quite difficult. Then third question was based on magnetic flux. Okay, and it was an easy question. Then fourth question, which is MCQ type. So it was again an EMF based question. Okay, and it was again an easy question. So basically you will observe that in MCQ type questions, mostly questions were easy. Okay, so in MCQs, when we talk about like question 1 to 10, paper was easy from 1 to 10. Okay, okay, so we have got a comment, it was a very tough paper. Yeah, we can say so, but it was a kind of moderate paper. Okay, moderate to tough. Then fifth question, it was based on magnetic field and it was a numerical based question. It was quite difficult again. Then question number 6, it was based on effective resistance. Again, it was an easy question. Then question number 7, 8, 9, 10, these were easy questions asked from alpha scattering experiment. Then based on simple numerical based on de Broglie wavelength, and again a wave based question, wave optics based questions, in which I think phase was given. So it was again an easy question. Okay, so basically MCQs are, or I would say MCQs were easy. Okay. Now, when we come to this section from question number 11 to 20, so you can clearly observe that there are some questions which are moderate in nature. So when you talk about question number 11 to 15, so these were questions easy, and question number 11 had internal choice, and it was a potentiometer based question. Then question number 12, 13, 14, 15. So question number 12 was based from torque. Then question number 13 and 14, these two questions were nuclei. So question number 13 had equation based question for a nuclear reaction. Okay. Then question number 14, it was based on the motion of a proton and its direction. Then question number 15, it was based on wave optics chapter. So a numerical was asked on based on unpolarized light. Okay, so we can say that question number 1 to 15, it was easy to moderate. Okay, let us see question number 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So these were basically very short answer type. So question number 11 to 15 were fill in the blanks, 1 to 10 MCQs, and 16 to 20 are basically very short answer type. Okay, so you can clearly observe that from 16 to 20 questions were moderate. Okay, so majority of the questions were moderate in nature. So question number 16, it was based on parallel plate capacitor. Question number 17, it was a observation based question based on semiconductor and PN junction. Whereas question number 18, it was based on a telescope. Okay, then question number 19, it was quite an easy question angle of dip was asked in that question. Question number 20, so again it was a theoretical based question. I think it was a kind of observation question. So again I have classified into moderate type questions. So you can clearly see that 1 to 15 is easy to moderate and 16 to 20 is moderate. So I would say, so it was kind of mix. Okay, so clearly you can see that 6 to 7 questions were moderate and like 12-13 questions were of easy type. Okay, so let us begin with section B. So section B had 7 questions and these were short answer type questions. So question number 21 to 27. Okay, so again you can see that it is a mix of easy to moderate type of paper. So question number 21, it was based on setup of potential barrier in PN junction. Question number 22, it was again an observation based question. Okay, then question number 23, it was an easy question. So it was basically formula based question based on resistance, wherein you were given some effect of length on resistance. Okay, then question number 24, it was quite difficult. So I have given the category of moderate, and in this question a question was asked based on equivalent capacitance. Okay, then question number 25, easy question. So in this question formation of energy band were asked for different types of material like metal, semiconductor. Okay, then question number 26 again a short answer type question. So here the question was quite tough. It was a numerical based question for LCR circuit in series. So it was a moderate type of question. Then question number 27. So question number 27 had internal choice and it was an easy question based on photodiode and LED based theoretical question. So we can say that it was an easy section from 21 to 27. Okay, now let us begin with section C. So section C from 28 to 34. So section C had questions from 28 to 34, almost 7 questions were asked. Okay, and this section was easy in nature. Okay, however numericals were asked in this section 2. So question number 28, it was based on wave optics and it was an easy question, and a numerical was asked based on interference. Okay, then question number 29, so it was based on EMW, electromagnetic wave, easy question. So basically EMW wave based questions are easy in nature, you know that. So question number 30, which was based on optics, ray optics. Okay, and it was an easy question again, and in this question you were asked to find out focal length of a concave mirror. So it was a numerical based question, so I have tagged it easy question. Okay, so section C, 31 question, long answer type, 3 marks. So question number 31 and 32, these two questions were easy in nature. 31, question number 31, it was based on mutual and self induction. So we had taken a session on Saturday in which we clearly told you that there will be a question based on mutual and self induction. Okay, then question number 32, it was an easy question based on AC generator. Okay, question number 33, this question was moderate in nature and it had internal choice, but both the questions were quite moderate. Okay, so in the first question, in question number 33, there was a question based on Gauss law. So I think there were like two to three questions in this question number 33. So let us say A. Again, it was an internal choice. So in next question again, a question based on Gauss law was asked. Okay, so it was, I think, quite tough from student point of view. Section C, 34th question, it was based on potentiometer, in which a simple numerical was given and students were asked about the working principle of potentiometer. Okay, so this is till section C. Now let us look at section D. So section D was really a tough, I would say a kind of moderate segment. So I have not, basically section D is basically a long answer type section wherein student has to attempt these questions for 5 marks. So obviously these questions are supposed to be moderate in nature. Okay. So question number 35, it was based on ray optics and it was a moderate question, but internal choices were given for 35 to 37 question. Okay. Then question number 36, it was an easy question because it was based on atoms and nuclei. And question number 37, it was again a moderate question, had internal choice, and derivation and numerical both were asked in this question, and it was based on moving charges and magnetism. Okay. So this is all about the analysis of CBSE class 12th physics paper. Now as we know that there will be students who will be scoring 40, 45, 50, some of the students will be scoring 60 above. So what we have done is we will be giving you some scores, some range of scores, so that you should be aware of like what should be the average score, okay, or good score or excellent score. So if you are scoring 45 or 44 marks till 52 or 53 marks, then I would say it is an average score. If you are scoring above 52 or 53 marks till 62 or 61, then it is a good score. And if you are scoring 62 or 63 plus, then it is an excellent score. Okay. As far as the paper is concerned, I would say the paper was average to moderate. Average to moderate paper. Okay. So it was not as easy as we think. So it was quite I would say tough paper, but bit on the lower side. Okay. So this was the analysis of class 12th physics paper. I hope you will be benefited by this session, and all the best for your forthcoming exams. So all the best guys, and do well. Thank you.